Rwanda's leading facilities that have really changed the concept of conference tourism in the land of Thousand Hills. Kigali Convention Center. This is the Rwanda's ultra-modern facility, which is the leading conference hall in Kigali. Inaugurated on July 8, 2016, the magnificent complex is located in Kimihurura, Gasabo district. Ideally located 5 kilometers from the city center, Kigali International Airport, the stylish Radisson Blu and Convention Center is a 5-star hotel in Kigali, Rwanda. The hotel offers 292 modern and spacious rooms, along with an all-day dining and an exquisite Italian restaurant, a bar, lobby lounge, and an outdoor swimming pool, designed to provide a memorable experience to business and leisure travelers alike. With the capacity to accommodate up to 5,000 delegates in its 18 rooms, including an auditorium, meeting, and events planners can take advantage of the convention center's versatile event space and state-of-art facilities. Valued at over $300 million, the center comprises a 5-star hotel with 292 rooms, a conference hall that can host up to 2,500 people, several other meeting rooms, as well as an office park. The Kigali Arena. This amazing sports and event facilities is located just outside the Amahoro National Stadium in the Mera Gasabo district. The state-of-art, with a 10,000-seat capacity, is among the top 10 indoor sports venues on the continent and the biggest in the Eastern African region. The complex sits on 28,000 square meter piece of land with a parking lot that can accommodate over 600 vehicles. The multi-billion arena boasts 13 cafeteria and a restaurant, 6 changing rooms for teams, 2 rooms for coaching staff, 1 fitness center, a medium hall, and a modern doping control room. The facility does not only host sports events, but also concerts, conferences, and exhibitions.
Kigali Eye.